Tired of chaotic conversations in your Discord server? That very important announcements. Let's transform a regular channel into a powerful Readonly zone for focused communication. First, locate the channel you want to make Readonly. Right-click on its name and select Edit Channel from the drop-down menu. In the channel settings, navigate to the Permissions tab. This is where we'll control who can speak. Scroll down to the roles section. You'll see the Everyone role. By default, we need to deny the Send Messages permission. For this role, click the red X next to Send Messages to disable it. Now, it's time to grant posting privileges. Click the plus icon next to Roles, Members to add a new role. Select the specific role that you want to have permission to post in this channel. I'm choosing Moderators for this example, but it could be an Announcements role or any custom role you've created. With your chosen role selected, find the Send Messages permission and click the green check mark to allow them to post. Ensure other roles you don't want posting still have that red X. Finally, scroll down to the bottom and click the blue Save Changes button to apply your new permissions. And there you have it. Your channel is now restricted, allowing only designated roles to post. This keeps discussions focused, prevents spam, and ensures your important messages are seen, creating a much more organized and effective Discord server. You can create custom roles specifically for this purpose for ultimate control.